This is a VCR with a built-in teletext decoder, and it shows here a video programmable teletext. So not only it has a decoder built in, but you can also use a teletext page with start and stop time information of your program directly to set the timer on the recorder. And another function is the teletext subtitles you can record on the tape with this machine. Besides that, it supports setting the timer by LCD remote, and it supports VPS, which is a predecessor of PDC, and that is a teletext broadcast kind of message that starts your recorder exactly when the program starts. So let's say there is some delay in the broadcast, then this VPS system will only start your recording when the actual program starts. So if the program is delayed, your recording starts delayed. So that's all very old, but I would like to show that working. So this recorder I made complete. It was a scrap recorder with a missing power supply. I substituted it with a Philips turbo drive power supply, which has all the voltages. So that works, and I needed to put another head in because that was missing. And here I made a little circuit board for making the head servo work again, because this head gives different tacho and position pulses than the original. So, and this, by the way, in the front here is the teletext decoder board. By the way, this machine does not output the teletext by RGB lines on the SCART. If you look at the history of the SCART connector, bus, whatever you call it, it was designed for TVs to have an external teletext decoder, and with RGB signals you have this very sharp teletext image, like if it is a built-in decoder, and it even has the blanking signals, so you can have the mixed pages where the text is superimposed on the TV image. But this recorder doesn't have all that. It's just output by I checked it. It's just composite signal, so it's a little bit blurry looking teletext. But anyhow, I cannot receive any teletext broadcasts anymore that will be received by this thing. So in the past I made some recordings with this hard disk recorder. It's a DVB-T hard disk recorder, and it recorded teletext as well, and it can output the teletext on the aerial and on the composite output. So the strange thing is, this thing cannot accept teletext via composite input. It just won't go in teletext mode when you select external. So I needed to program a tuner channel to the output of this one, and now then it works. So let's see how that all goes. I put it in tuner mode. So this is my hard disk recorder, and now I have here a remote that can send a text signal on the teletext command on the VCR address of the RC5 So it goes into text mode. This is the text of the VCR. Let's go to the which one is it? One further. Oh, I need to see sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. So this is all very recognizable. But what we can do now, we can use directly those times to set the timer. If only I knew how. Was it just time button? Yeah. So I press the timer button, and now you get this special message here, Philips text programming, and you get a cursor. Now I can let's say I want to record this program here. So it starts at 20:35 and it ends at 21:20. Okay. So start, stop. Today, tuner, you can select your tuner or simulcast, etc. Tuner channel 3, and then here you can turn on the VPS, but it's not broadcast anyhow. And L is long play, so when it's star, it's active. Now help. No. Let's go further. So now it's set. In case of subtitle recording, enter page number. So normally it's 888, and then it will record those things too. The subtitles on the tape. Press proceed. Yeah. But I would like to see. Oh. What happens when we would hit the question mark. So let's say we take another program, press the question mark. Question mark. I thought it was some double function somewhere, or some key. Don't I have it here? Anyhow, so that's working, sorry, and now we have set 2 timers. Let's check it. So we can check it out, what it is. Let's say timer 1. What did we set? 20:35, 21:20, date for channel 3. So that's confirmed to be working. Then let's see how this works with the LCD programming. So let's say next block we make 22 till 22:15, 8.1, channel 1, transmit. As soon as I hit the button transmit, you will see timer 3 comes up, and if you check channel timer block 3, then okay, so it just send it over everything in one go what I set here on the screen. So that is that. Then oh, wait a minute, I think I have here reveal. Yeah, it's the question mark, it's RVL here. So let's see one more time. What that does. So let's set this program. Press question mark button for help menu. I just would like to show that. What happens then? So yeah, press colored button to change corresponding data. X set reset VPS. LP to set reset long play, record mode, TV, simulcast, audio, dubbing. Press the clock button if all data is correct. So that's just all built in this recorder, this information pages. So now we have all those pages here. Then I can show you that this recorder actually works. With the head that was never meant to be in here. So I modified here the static discharge thing a bit. So this is the recorder. Can show you very long, but yeah, it looks good for such a modified machine as this. And then one thing I would like to show is the built-in test page. So because it has this teletext chip, it can produce a nice demo page, which is normally just a white bar. Most VCRs have just a white bar, which just helps you to tune your TV to the VCR channel. But this one, yeah, it's just a little bit more comprehensive. So yeah, that's that. It asks for the tape. It wants to make the timer recording, but yeah, that's it.